Example 4.8. A solenoid of length 0.5 meter has a radius of 1 centimeter and is made up of 500 turns. It carries a current of 5 amps. What is the magnitude of magnetic field inside the solenoid? First, we'll see what are the given values. Length of the solenoid is given, number of turns given, and the current which flows through the solenoid is also given. Okay. What is the expression for magnetic field along the solenoid? That is V equal to mu 0 N. What is small n? Small n is number of turns per unit length. Capital N is number of turns. Small n is number of turns per unit length. First, we'll find out number of turns per unit length. That is 500 by 0.5, 1000 turns per meter. Okay, now we'll substitute B equal to mu 0 value 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by small n, that is 1000 into current is 5. If you simplify, we are getting the answer 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla.